Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Doha Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Doha Bank login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option the link to Doha Bank. Click on it. And in this interface, you can see the login button at the right side. Click on it and choose your account type and click on login. Now it will take you to the login portal for your Doha Bank, and over here enter the username of your account. Once you do that, enter your password. Now click on login. You will be logged into your Doha Bank account, and in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here on forgot username or forgot password to reset it. And to create a new account on Doha Bank, click on register now. So this much for this video. This is how you can log in into your Doha Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.